Yeah, what's up everyone, Project Moto here, and today we're going to be doing another classic bike review. It's one of Paul's bikes. This is Kawasaki H1 B 500 triple. What, love? What are you eating?
Nothing.
What? It's always eating.
Not true.
This is your little pride and joy, is it? One of them?
Yeah.
Should we get outside and have a look at it if you don't choke to death?
Yeah, if I don't choke.
Look at that. It's a nice colour, isn't it? Jesus, look how bright it is out here. Swing around there a little bit more. That's
All right,
it.
yeah.
Yeah. Look at that. God, hold on, I'm getting blinded by the chrome. You ride this in today?
I did, yeah.
Did it try and kill you or anything today?
Oh, I'm knackered.
Was you? You've been tired lately.
Oh, this is hard work.
Was it?
Yeah.
Why?
It's frantic. The engine is.
Is it?
Yeah, yeah.
Not fast though. Is it
It's
fast?
quite quick, yeah.
What?
You should have a go on it.
How quick? How quick?
I don't know what they do. Probably does about 115, something like that.
Yeah. Not as quick as Frankie then.
I don't know. Do you want to race?
I'd have a race with you. Yeah. How is it, alright? You won't get round the first roundabout, but I'll have a race.
No, I'll have to be a straight line race.
Yeah, alright. How long you had this bike?
Oh, about 4 years, I suppose.
Oh, right. Have you restored it, or was it like
We've
that?
done a lot of work to it, yeah.
Oh, right.
Yeah, it wasn't quite like this.
What colour was it?
No, it is this colour. It's original.
Oh, it's original colour, is it? Oh, it looks nice. Look at that paintwork. Ain't many wind marks on it. You must ride it slow.
Any what marks?
You know, like where the wind scratches the paintwork.
You must be going fast.
Yeah. Want to start her up or not? Can you start it up?
Yeah, I can start.
Is it going to use...
I don't have the key.
Hold on, but is it going to use a load of spark plugs doing that?
Yeah, probably.
How many spark plugs do you take out of it when you go out for a ride?
I've got 3 in there.
Right.
Oh no, I've probably got about 9 in there.
Oh, right, so you got enough to get home?
Oh, just.
It's nice though.
It is nice. It is a nice paint job, that. Sparkles.
Yeah. It does sparkle, doesn't it?
Just like Paul.
And it's done 31,000 miles nearly.
Surprised it has it. Here we go.
That's fucked it, that won't start again.
I'll be pushing that home, won't I? Well, it's alright for 50 years old, isn't it?
Yeah, that ain't bad, I tell you.
What's he got there?
That's nice.
What you got?
Mr. Freeze. Jubbly Cola.
I didn't want one of them anyway.
I didn't ask you.
I know, I was just letting you know that I didn't want one.
What's up, Cola boy?
If it did blow up though, it's kind of his fault.
For not maintaining it
Yeah.
properly. What happened with this bit of cake?
That's for you.
What, this little bit here?
Yeah.
Fucking hell. Oh, it's fucking lovely, isn't
It
it?
is.
Cool, that is nice cake.
I didn't get a bit because you just ate mine.
Yeah, he's allowing me to ride it.
What are you going to do to get out there?
Alright. Right, so up for first. Let's see. So this is the 500. Where's this nut doing? It's just stopped in the middle of the road. You kind of have to keep your foot above the back brake all the time anyway, because it's so high up. But this bike's done 30,000 miles, man. Sounds good. This is the old day steering damper, so you must have that wound on a bit because it doesn't feel like you can really turn the bars at all. I'm going for it. It still overtakes something. A little bit bumpy. I can see why the other day Paul was like, oh, we went out on the bikes, I was knackered. It feels, I don't know, military-like when you ride these things. It's alright round the bends though. By all of them. Oh, it kind of buzzes when you pull the throttle. There's such a buzz from it. It like rings through your ears. That's a nice little bike. Yeah, the brakes are, it doesn't stop, to be honest. Paul's obviously worried about me riding his bike, and why not? It's, you know, it's a beautiful bike. Yeah, Paul's got a few of these. He's got a few of the 500s. He's got a few of the 750s. I don't know what all these lot are doing here really, but everyone seems to be having a little bit of trouble. I'm going to go right here, and then I'm going to go left here. Stand up because I've got to get the cramp out my hip. We did say that last time we rode this, it failed all the plugs within about 20 miles, so let's hope I get back. He weren't lying when he said about the brakes. That's pretty much pulling the brakes full on. Man, sometimes I think I'm like one of the luckiest guys around. You know, I do get to ride all the new bikes, but these classics are something else, man. If you look at this brake, you see how your foot's got to be doing a wheelie to get on it. Goes all right. Easy, Tiger. Do they really need to brake like that just to go round saying, oh, his tyres fell off? Like, don't get me wrong, what the new bikes can do, how fast they are, how good they handle is something out of this world. They're brilliant. It don't matter if it was on the best Panigale, the best R1, best Fireblade, whatever. You know you're on something special when you're on these bikes. And I think everyone that you notice that you sort of stop, they look at a car, everyone kind of knows, and it's like, oh, look at that old classic bike. Yeah, enjoyed that. Mind you, everything's enjoyable when the weather's like this, isn't it? I mean, they go alright. They're stiff. It's like steering a plank or something. So that was the Kawasaki H1 B 500 triple 2-stroke. The brakes do not work on this bike whatsoever. The rear brake's okay, the front brake doesn't work at all.
That's because the caliper's on the wrong side.
Well, it's not on the same side as the disc.
Yeah.
As always, these classic bikes are interesting to ride, mainly, like I say, because they go alright, but they just don't stop. They don't really go around bends.
Steering dampers.
It's got 2 steering dampers on it. Neither do anything, do they?
Not really, no.
No. Are they turned right up because it was really stiff?
It makes no difference.
Oh right, okay.
This steering damper is off at the moment, but
Right.
there's still resistance,
Yeah.
obviously.
And the other one?
This friction damper
Yep.
just tightens the front up so that it kind of locks it in a straight line.
Yeah, it felt like it was a very stiff front end on it. Yeah, well, you've been riding them for 50 years.
Plus.
Well, it's only 50 years old, but you was riding them before they manufactured them.
See you, Jade. You off?
See you, Jade. What's happening?
Nothing.
Where are you going now? The pub?
Yeah, I think so. We'll be at the Jolly Sailor if you guys want to come.
Sounds great.
The Jolly Sailor. He said, oh, he'd be happy if they turn up there anyway, wouldn't he? He will be a Jolly Sailor.
Bye, guys.
Bye. So once again, a massive thanks to Paul for letting me ride this, and Cliff, whose bike it is. And if we get enough comments on it, I'm sure Paul's going to bring in his tuned 750 for me to ride, ain't ya?
Yeah, I will do.
Yeah, if we just get enough comments of people saying let him ride the tuned 750. But as always, guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If this is the kind of thing you're into, all things bikes, then maybe think about hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much for watching. Who keeps doing that with a milk? Check what there is. Why do people open these as 3 open bottles of milk in there? Why?
It's a mystery. Look at that day.
Sun's out.
It's halfway through September, it's fantastic. It's the summer that never ends. Let me get the tea because I'm desperate. I don't want the drinks.
You get it quicker. There's fucking there's a full thing of water in there. Look, it's still over half full.
What's that fly?
That fly. Chase him out.
Get out. Nearly got me then.
Get him. So you went out the other day.
I went out on the Kawasaki with a lot of other Kawasaki's.
How many was it?
About 40, 50.
There's still 40 or 50 going, is there?
In Essex.
In Essex? That's a lot. I thought that was worldwide.
I'm sure there are thousands worldwide.
Where did you all go?
We went round Kent. We drove around the Garden of England.
Yeah, and what happened?
Nothing, we just went down to the seaside. Load of old gits on bikes.
Did you all pull up like you was in a gang?
Nah.
I bet it was like fucking, they thought the town was on fire, didn't they?
It was horrible at the back. I rode at the back for a while. That was a mistake.
Why did you do that?
Well, they all pulled away.
Oh,
Left me there.
I bet people was driving along going, look, all them bikes on fire.
Yeah, 150 exhaust pipes.
Oh, that's a lot,
All
isn't it?
smoking.
So that was a good day though, good weather.
Good day, and then the next day I went out again on it.
Yeah.
Same bike.
And what?
Well, we had a little photo shoot of all things from the 70s.
What, like you was all
Yeah,
dressed
so
up?
I took my
Moustache?
my cardigan, flares.
There wasn't no one in period drama gear then.
They all wear that anyway.
A music player playing 70s stuff.
Someone had an accordion.
Did they?
Yeah.
Was they popular in the 70s?
Yeah, everyone had one.
Oh, well, that was alright.
That was a good day. Both days were good. The weather was good. No breakdowns.
That's always a bonus.
Apart from a couple of nervous breakdowns.
Was there any bit where you thought there's going to be a crash here?
All the time.
Yeah, I didn't have such a good weekend.
You had an incident, didn't you?
Cash only incident.
Cash only. Fish and chips.
It was funny though when she said £10.50 cash only.
She shouted it.
Yeah, oh yeah, because they only shout.
The Chinese.
So then when I said, is this 1985? And she went, no, £10.50.
Did she say salt and vinegar?
After I had mown up and had to have a go in the queue of 14 people, I had to walk down the road, spend £2 on a small bottle of Coke because I had to have cash back. All she said to me after that was, salt and vinegar.
What's happening there? Why aren't you carrying cash?
In case I get mugged.
How much was fish and chips?
£10.
You worried?
If I've only got £10, yeah.
You spent 14 quid on fags the other day.
Yeah.
Packet of fags, 14 quid. Was that cash?
Yeah, £10.40 in Morrison's, 20 pensons. It went in the services when we went to Silverstone. £14 saying. And do you know what? I didn't even smoke them.
Not
I should have
done
took
it,
them
yeah.
back.
Yeah.
Said, can I have a refund?
Go back. Where'd you pick them up from? Up the M1. You've had some days, haven't
I've
you?
had some days.
It's exhausting talking to you.
It's exhausting being me.
No wonder you're tired.
Yeah.
And you've lost weight.
Yeah, I know. Now, where we was the same, what were you now? We're 3 or 4 kilos difference between us now.
Yeah. I must say I've not increased weight.
No, you
But
haven't.
you've dropped weight.
Yeah. Well, I'm getting fighting fit.
Well, I think it's the diet you're on. It's that sausage and batter.
Sausage and batter and chips diet.
Yeah.
Every day for 30 days.
Yeah. I've seen it on YouTube. How it affects your body.
Yeah. Well, it's affected me. I lost weight.
It's a remarkable diet.
Yeah. Sausage and batter and chips. It works. You should try it.
I'm gonna.
30 days you got to do it.
When do I start?
Start today. Go home today and get sausage and batter and chips.
I might go to that chip shop.
Make sure you take cash.
I will.
Because they don't like it if you don't.